Make no sense to me. This man is a traitor. Because nobody know who he is because he's not honest. When him tell us say him go get a visa and I'm British, it's impossible as a British citizen. How could you get a visa to go to Britain and you're a British citizen? So this man is a blatant liar and trickster. But what have happened is that the PMP is beautiful speaking and then mash up the country. And then they are supported by a guru, the gleaner. Who is coming with some spin. I hear George Davis, I try to read something, but and Dan and some poor of them put out one I most corporate thing never seen in my life. Right. Just show you how these people are up. But guess what? Squitty may tell you, third term loading, and then cannot stop it. And I yield there. Third term loading. Right there.
All right, sir. VV.
Good night. Yeah, good night.
Good night.
Mm-hmm. All right. And what I want to, my little 2 cents is to continue what Soji was saying, that, you know, it's important that, especially the labor rights, make sure them go out and vote. It don't make no sense to come on this platform and we talk.
DV, are you in Jamaica?
Yes.
Okay.
And they don't go out and vote. It's very, very important that they make the effort. No matter like the state, you heard, I mean, now go vote. Every vote count in this election. So
President Charles last night say, because I was on the program, him say, 1 vote can make the MP lose. And 1 vote can make the government lose.
Right. So everybody, all of them, make sure.
Lose. So if you shot at the 1 vote, if you give the MP if he win, government gonna lose a seat. So I'm saying if you don't like the man, cover up your face and vote for him.
Well, it's important that we all go out and vote. Another thing is that they need to catch the vision, because this government is a visionary and him have a plan. Everybody say St. Thomas and everybody just focusing on one thing, the center. But I'm not seeing the amount of land that them have in St. Thomas, that the whole heap of houses is going to be building over there, right? And a lot more people, because them have good road, them have all the facilities now. A lot of the young people, the young teachers, the young people, them can go live over there. Easy to get downtown. Portmore Park.
There are some nice beaches over St. Thomas, you know.
Yes, so you have nice to see far beyond that. The vision where these places are going to now open. You understand me? Because listen, everybody, Mark Golden, not trying to knock the man, but you sit in a parliament for how much years and you don't know, say a budget is, you write a budget for every single year. We are write a budget for 5 years, and up to now, we don't know exactly what he planned to do. Because the presentation he did, he said it's for 5 years, and we still don't know what is the plan. Why would you change? Make no sense. Why would you change now? Give the man another term. Give the man another chance.
Let me ask you something, DV. Which constituency you in?
I don't remember the man's name right now. But my constituency is a sure constituency.
Yeah, but where is it?
No problem.
Which constituency is that?
Barbican.
That's upper
Delroy Chuck.
Delroy Chuck.
Okay.
Delroy Chuck.
So the safe up there?
Yeah, man. Safe up there.
Sea breeze.
But owner, but I feel safe and sit down on the house, you know?
No. When I sit down
Sea
on
breeze
the
the
house,
one come in that box.
and we can carry anybody who want to vote.
Sea breeze want come in the box.
Sea breeze send a request to the boss.
Tonight. Sea breeze want to laugh.
Anybody who want a ride to go vote, make sure me carry them go vote. If them a vote for, and I carry the PMP on them. Sorry.
You're on the ground.
Anybody want a ride, me carry them. Make sure them a vote for. I forgot to ask them first, or who you have vote.
That time meeting when they go to meeting them. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So what go on people? What go on Squitty?
Okay, man.
Squitty, you know,
That's
say
like
Canada.
chance they attack thing them.
You know what I saw in stay, no man. I don't know who put him on TikTok. A problem.
Why man
I don't know
say?
which of them grandson put him on TikTok, but you can't get him out.
Martin sign paper for say a guy that issue gun.
Yeah,
And
man.
when the judge asked him to come out in court and the judge say, "Sir, was you in the room?" Him say, "Yes, sir, I was there." How much gonna see the man them hand out? 24. How much people was in the room? 25 hours, sir. So I say, you work there? Say, yes, me make things, and you never get none. No, sir. So you're vexed? Yes, sir. You vexed and not get none. A few life go, they go tell.
I don't know who put him on TikTok, Squitty, but in outside.
The man say, President Chancellor last night, he might go be 90 next month, September. And when the three whole I promise of them from Malcolm right up, Siaga, whole of them, Porsche, whole of them. And him said, no prime minister out of all of them prime ministers there, no work as hard as Andrew.
But that's true.
He said, Andrew was the best prime minister ever from both PMP and Labour right. The man all talk about the Labour right them. Every Labour right Andrew better than them and better than all PMP.
That is a fact. That's why the PNP are growing and tell so much lie pan him about him teeth.
He is a visionary.
Because they can't beat him pan him work, so they might make up story about him because they know say when it come to the work they cannot challenge him. But Squitty, you know, see your country go to war over Canada because if America start a war, Canada have to send troops on the ground, you know. You have any son, any grandson we're going to dead for Israel?
Canada don't go deal with our peacekeeping.
Go sit down. Canada, you never remember when you never remember when America go start war down in Afghanistan and Iraq, you know, say Canada go down there too.
Yeah, Canada
NATO.
That's a technical thing where America weak, but you know.
So the NATO allies that, so anything America start.
You think it's going to reach to that? You mean Iran?
Eh?
With Iran?
With a president like Trump, we're unpredictable. You really can't put a pat pan for you for Trump, Squitty. May burn up. This is top idiot.
You not in the war go on.
Say war no start already. Squitty, how you live? I want to TV now.
Iraq. I see war go to Iran, you know.
And you see you don't think the war go on and war start already.
Canada, I think Canada go join in no war.
Canada don't have no choice, Squitty. Anything America say Canada asks, oh, I. You don't know say I say your country go to work.
We see war go on.
Well, prepare yourself because if you have any son or any grandson, they go sign up for now if you go down to Iran.
Yeah.
While we in Jamaica, we keep our head down and mind we own a business because we no business in a big people fight, you know. Remember we are third world country.
You ready? Ayatollah say, if America join all out war.
Yes. So that's why we are mind we own a business down here.
Iran them no soft as them feel like, you know.
What Iran are going to do with what they not understanding us? What they not understanding us, Squitty? You see, while America have the power to drop bomb on Iran, what Iran are going to do, you know? Remember saying, while Israel over there with the Iron Dome over for their head, you know, the American troops where they all over the Middle East, they don't have no Iron Dome over for their head. Remember say America have base everywhere in the Middle East and Africa, you know, because you know America itch up everywhere. So while Israel people protected
Iran are going to terrorize, target them.
Thank you very much. Iran are going to terrorize them other base and kill American people. That is why American people upset and tell Donald Trump, so we don't want any war. We never asked for no war. We do not want any war. Because they know that people vulnerable.
We hear them, but we're not busy with them, you know. We are busy with Jamaica politics.
You're better busy with them because all the world set up if America and Canada calf. We sit down here, well, you cannot know that too. Because remember, we depend on them for oil, you know. We can't run without oil. And if there's a war in the Middle East, the cost of oil. Look here, you don't understand those Squid. You live in a first world country. So I tell my people on my platform, say, everything we're going to first world country affect Jamaica.
Yeah,
and I'm not going to be the one we're going to pretend.
Thing, of course.
And if the price of oil go up, what to the country? What to the price of food? What to the price of electricity?
Yeah, everything will go up.
Exactly.
Everything will
so
go
we
up.
have to pay attention.
And some people are going to say, the Prime Minister make it food.
Thank you very much. People are going to say Andrew Oldness because they not pay attention. They not look out of the eye. And the car, with everybody knows say Iran have the cheap. We buy oil from America, you know. But Iran have the cheapest oil. And if the oil start go up now, America, everybody oil go up and then we know go start paying more money for oil.
So far. It's soon done.
In our so far, well, pray that President Trump listen to the people of America and don't make Benjamin Netanyahu. Don't make that criminal known as Benjamin Netanyahu distract him and make him start no war. Just pray. Because my President Trump not so sensible.
But Netanyahu my warmonger, you know.
Yeah, man. Netanyahu warmonger. From 1991 start war. So we just have to pray that everything work out and we worry upon win the election. We can't have a situation where the PNP even have a chance in a government at a time like this when the world is in this situation. Because remember PNP not no sense, you know. Remember PNP can't run country, you know. And right now the PNP under Mark Jefferson Golden, them and them bunch of tapanaris only a plan for coming online in pocket and then Mark Golden run Ghana, England, and then the rest of them run Ghana buy citizenship anywhere they want to go buy it and left we the people of Jamaica to suffer. So we vote is very, very important in the next election.
Munchie B.
Yes.
Happy belated birthday, you know, because you run all over the place, you know, go on by your business, man, all over the place, me can't catch you. Anyhow, you me say Munchie, hear me and say no, if you call me, Zine, and when you call me and ask me a question, and you hear me and say, me okay, you go up a garden town, you know. And then you go hear me and say, chief candidate from St. Mary. And then you hear me and say, me can't remember. But me I lose my head. No more something me I text her. Me no must text something. People
me
just...
no know me because me don't really want to do him bad. Soji, me go saying tired. Because remember Mark Gold no you Soji, remember Mark Gold lazy, you know. Remember Mark Gold no eat healthy. Remember Mark Gold no exercise. And remember Mark Gold don't used to work in a day in a life. Remember Mark Golden born with gold spoon in his mouth. Mark Golden don't know what it is like to do a day's work. So when Dayton Campbell and Angela Brownberg have Mark Golden drive up and down all over the country, the hardest Mark Golden ever work in his life, Soji.